Good morning, dear children. How are you all? Hope you all are safe and fine. Wish Happy New Year. Okay, did you celebrate Christmas and New Year and also Pongal? Yes, you enjoyed a lot, right? Okay, now we can concentrate into our academic area. Okay, children? Yes. Today we are going to learn chapter 1 in semester 2 book. Okay, from sem 2 we are going to learn chapter 1. Yes, have you all bought the book? No? Okay, if not, please collect from our school. Okay, children? Yes. Can you guess what's the title of this lesson? Can you guess what's the title? Yes, wait a moment, okay? The four metros, okay? The four metros, okay? What are the four metros? Yes, metro cities in India. Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata and Chennai are the four metro cities. Okay, what is a metro city or a metropolitan city? It is a large and important city which is densely populated. Okay, more people will be living there and it is a very big and important city. Okay, clear? This is called a metro city or a metropolitan city. Okay, yes. Now we are going to learn about the metro city Delhi, right? Yes, which is our country? India is our country. Which is the capital of India? New Delhi. Delhi is the capital of India, right? Yes, it is the second largest metro city. Delhi is the second largest metro city and it is also a union territory. Okay, yes, we are going to learn about the location, history, climate, places of interest and festivals and culture of Delhi. Okay, yes. First, we can learn about the location, right? It is the Delhi is the capital of India. It is situated on the banks of the river Yamuna. It lies on the banks of the river Yamuna. Okay, yes. Then the history, old Delhi was built by Shah Jahan and the new Delhi was built by a British architect called Edwin Lutyens. Okay, yes, old Delhi was built by Shah Jahan and New Delhi was built by a British architect Edwin Lutyens. Okay, yes. The buildings in Delhi reflect the grandeur and majesty of the Mughal kings. Okay, yes. Now the climate. Delhi faces extreme temperature. Understood? In summer, the climate is very hot and in the winter, the climate is very cold. Rainfall occurs during the months of July and August. Okay, in the month of July and August, we can expect more rainfall. Okay, during the summer it is very hot and during the winter it is very cold. Okay, yes, not like us. Okay, during summer also it doesn't be hot for us, right? During winter also it won't be much cool for us. We are not wearing sweaters when we are coming outside. When you are residing in Delhi, you have to wear sweaters when you are going outside during winter. Okay, and summers are too hot. Okay, you can't stay there. Such climate is there. Okay, summers are too hot and winters are very cold. Okay, now important places, right? Yes, more important places are Rashtrapati Bhavan, the India Gate, and then Jama Masjid, Red Fort, Qutub Minar, Iron Pillar, Parliament House is also in Delhi, right? Okay. Now, then what? The festivals and culture. Festivals and culture. Delhi has a mixture of people from various parts of India, right? More people live there from various parts of India. So, the people of Delhi celebrate maybe all the festivals, all the cultures, religions, languages and traditions are practiced there. So all places of worship such as Gurudwaras, Sikhs may worship that Gurudwara, go to Gurudwaras, then temples, Hindus go to temples, churches, the Christians go to church and the Muslims go to mosque. Okay, all these festivals and culture are in Delhi. Okay children? Okay. Yes, we have learnt about the location, history, climate, places of interest and also the festivals. These these are some places, important places in Delhi. You can see the clipping here, the Parliament House, the India Gate and the Red Fort, the Lotus Temple, right? Yes, can you able to see this pic? Okay, yes. When you are going to Delhi, you are for a tour, you must visit all these places, right? Okay. When you are going there, somebody would have watched, right? Yes. If not, please go visit. Okay. Yes. These are some important places in Delhi, our capital city, right? Okay. Now Mumbai. Mumbai is the largest metro and the largest port in India. Mumbai is the first largest city. Okay. Yes, Delhi is the second largest and Mumbai is the first largest. Its capital is what? Maharashtra is the capital of Mumbai. Okay, already you have learnt in the last semester all the capitals, right? Yes. Mumbai capital city is Maharashtra. Okay. And the location, we are going to learn about the location, history, climate as Delhi. Okay. Location, the city which is a group of 7 islands and is located on the west coast of India. It is located on the west coast where we can see Arabian Sea. Okay. Yes. Then now history, its name was changed from Bombay to Mumbai in 1995. Previously this Mumbai was called as Bombay, right? Okay. In 1995, Bombay has been changed to Mumbai. Now we are calling Bombay as Mumbai. And understood, okay, Bombay is being called as Mumbai from 1995. The first railway line in India was built in 1853 from Mumbai to Thane, okay, by the British. The British people laid the first railway line from Mumbai to Thane in the year 1853, okay. Now the climate is located on the seaside, okay, so therefore it is a hot and humid summers. The climate will be very pleasant, okay, the climate is very pleasant being it is situated near the seaside. Okay, we can expect rainfall, heavy rainfall during the months from June to August. That is June, July and August. We can expect a heavy rainfall. Okay. Yes, now the places of interest, we can see the Mumbai is famous for the Marine Drive, then the Gateway of India is there, then the Ajanta Caves, Elephant Caves, then Chhatrapati Shivaji International Airport is there, then Chhatrapati Shivaji Terminus is there, okay, more important places there in Mumbai to visit, okay, you should visit these places also, okay, yes. Now the festivals and culture, people in Mumbai speak Marathi, Konkani and also Hindi, right? All the major festivals are celebrated here like Delhi. Most of the more people from all other states, most of the states lived there. So all the major festivals are celebrated there. Okay. Then this Ganesh Chaturthi, right, is celebrated in a very grand manner. They celebrate Ganesh Chaturthi in a very grand manner. Okay. Yes. The most delicious foods they have are bel puri, pav bhaji, vada pav are the famous dishes in Mumbai. Do you like all these dishes? Yes. Okay. People in Mumbai travel by the local trains in large numbers. Mostly they used to travel by trains. Okay. Yes. These are a few important places in Mumbai. Okay, children? Yes. The Gateway of India, the Marine Drive, Elephant Caves, Hanging Garden, Chhatrapati Shivaji Terminal. Yes, more important places are there in where? Mumbai. Okay. Come to Kolkata. Kolkata is the capital of West Bengal, right? Kolkata is the capital of West Bengal. It is situated on the banks of the river Hooghly. Kolkata is situated on the banks of the river Hooghly. Okay. It was formed by joining together 3 villages called Sultanudi, Govindapur and Kalikata. Okay. Kolkata is being formed by joining 3 villages called Sultanudi, Govindapur and Calcutta. Okay. And previously Kolkata was called as Calcutta. Now recently it is came to known as what? Kolkata. Okay children? Yes. The Howrah Bridge and the Vidyasagar Setu Bridge across the Hooghly River connect important places in this city. Okay. The Howrah Bridge and also the Vidyasagar Setu Bridge across the Hooghly River connect this important city. Okay, the picture is given in the book Hooghly River and also Howrah Bridge. Okay, children. Okay, now the history of Kolkata. The city was established in the year 1686. Okay, that time it was known as Calcutta. Okay, it was earlier known as Calcutta. The East India Company of the British started their center in Kolkata in 1690. Okay, yes. In 1911, Kolkata was considered the capital of India. It is widely known as the capital of British India. Okay. Yes, now the capital of India is New Delhi, right? Yes. Okay. Now the climate, summers are hot and humid as in Mumbai. Okay. But winters are much cooler. Summers are very hot and winters are much cooler like Mumbai and Delhi. Yes. Then the places of interest, the Victoria Memorial, Eden Gardens, Subhash Chandra Bose International Airport. These are some important places to visit in Kolkata. Okay, children? Yes. See here the Howrah Bridge, the picture of the Howrah Bridge and the Victoria Mahal is given here. You can see more pictures in your book also. Okay? Yes. Please do go through the book. Okay, children? Okay. The climate of Chennai is warm and humid in summers. Okay. There is a heavy rainfall in winter. Because of heavy rainfall, the climate of Chennai totally changes, right? Okay. Even floods may occur because of more water, because of heavy rainfall. Okay, children, the summer is hot and on the winter is also cold there. Okay, because of more water from the rainfall, the city is fully covered with water and flood may occur because of more rainfall. Okay, then places of interest, more important interesting places are there in Chennai to visit. Okay, Valvar Kottam, then the Ripon building, Marina Beach is the longest beach in the world. Okay, that Marina Beach we can see there, and St. Mary's Church, Sandom Church, Vandalur Zoo, Gindi National Park, Government Museum, more places to visit in Chennai. Yes, if it is possible, please go and visit with your parents. Okay, children. Okay. Then Valluvar Kottam was built in honor of the Tamil poet Thiruvalluvar. Okay, this is also an important tourist spot there. Then the Vandalur Zoo was the first zoo in India. Then Marina Beach is the longest beach in India and also the second longest beach in the world. Okay, yes, you have to visit these places of interest in Chennai. Then the important festivals means festivals and culture, people speak Tamil there. Okay, the people of Chennai used to speak Tamil, and from different states also more people were residing there. And the harvest festival is Pongal. Pongal is celebrated in a very grand manner. Just now we also have celebrated Pongal, right? Yes. Pongal's festival is celebrated in a grand manner. Okay. Yes. The well-known dances, what Bharatanatyam, Carnatic music, or the well-known dances. Then idli, dosa, sambar. These are the famous dishes of the city. Okay. Yes. These are like Tamil Nadu. That is Chennai is the capital of Tamil Nadu, right? So like us, they will also used to eat food like us. The people from other belongs to other state, they used to have different dishes. Okay, the most common dish is idli, dosa, sambar. Okay, yes. And festival also, Pongal is the important festival. Okay, now see some places of interest in Chennai. Okay, Valvar Kottam is there, then the Rippan building, then Government Museum is there, right, then Chennai Central. You can see the pictures of Valvar Kottam, then Rippan building, then what, the Corporation of Chennai, then the Government Museum. Okay, yes, these are some important places of interest to visit in Chennai. Okay, children. Okay. Yes, see, we have learnt about the 4 important metros now, right? We have already learnt about the 4 metros. That is what? Chennai, Mumbai, Kolkata and Delhi, right? Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata and also Chennai. These are the 4 metro cities we have learned. Right? Okay. Now what is a metro city? Can you able to answer? What is a metro city? Answer. Can you remember what I said? It is a large and important city, okay? It is a large and important city with many people. That means densely populated, okay? More population. We can see more population in the metro cities. The 4 metro cities are what? Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata and Chennai, okay? Yes. Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata and Chennai. Mumbai was earlier known as what? Bombay. And Kolkata was earlier known as what? Calcutta. Chennai was earlier known as Madras. Okay children? Yes. Have you understood this topic? Please go through the book once again and read this lesson. Okay? Okay. Thank you children. See you in the next class. Those who didn't get the book, please get the book from school. Okay? Okay. Bye. Obey your parents and go through the book. Learn your portions daily. Bye. See you.